Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Nayeon from her music video Pop. So let's get started. To draw this cute singer, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, but right here, and draw another circle. From there, I'm going to make them Draw So Cute eyes, so come inside with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now that my eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and I'm going to spruce them up with some lashes. So I'll just draw a long curve and then maybe another one about right here. And same thing here. So a long curve that pops out and another one. So now that I have that, let's go above her eyes and about say right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve over her eye. And same thing on the other side. From there, let's give her a sweet smile. So say about right here in the center. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve and then slightly goes upwards and cap it off. Now that we have her eyes and mouth, then let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, come out just a little bit. I'll say right here, give myself a point, and same thing over here, very close. And then we're going to basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm just going to draw a curve, and then I'll just say about right here, come to down to my center, and about right here, I'll just give myself a point. It's where I'm going to go with this curve, and I'm going to try to make it a little bit sharper. So just going to bring this down to about right there. And same thing on this side. It's always a little bit more delicate with the face shape, so just take your time when you're drawing it. So there, just nice and sharp right there. Then from there, we're going to come to the sides right here where we started, and I'm going to draw a curve for her ear. And then about right there, we're going to stop because I want to draw this loop earring that she has. So I'll bring it down, but it's oval. And I'll thicken it up right there. And then to come inside, draw the details in her ear. So same thing on this side. Pop out her ear, and then before you finish, come right here, and we're just going to go ahead and draw this oval and thicken it up. And then let's see here. Draw the inside for the detail. Okay, so then now that we have that, we're just going to imagine her face as an oval. So let's say about right here, right in the center. I'm going to give myself a point, and from there I'm just going to draw a curve, comes down and meets up. So her hair is very tapered to her face, her head. Forehead. So nice big curve right there. Then I'm going to come up to the center right here, not too high, just a little bit, and then we're going to go up, come down towards her ear and tuck it in. So same thing over here. From there, let's draw her little space buns on the bottom right here. My favorite part of her hair. So let's come about right here where her ears are. And I'm just going to wobble just to make it kind of try to mimic the shape and bring it in right there. So same thing over here. about right here. Just wobble a little bit and then just tuck it in. There. Now it's complete. Okay, so then now let's draw her cute outfit. So right here, I'm just going to give her a little neck. There's so many outfits to pick from, but I really love this one. This pink and red LV outfit. So I'm going to come right here, draw her shoulders, come out, her shoulders. Let's find her armpit area, just tentatively, but right there and there. And we're just going to come down. There. Then from there, let's, we have this space to work with now. So let's come and draw her neckline. So I'm going to come right, about right here. Draw a curve and a curve. And then we're going to bring it down to a V. And then draw her collar. So come out and in. Out and in. Then we're going to bring this down a little bit more, this line. So let's come down. I'm going to bring this up now, just to connect lightly. And let's keep going. So we're going to widen this out a little bit. I'm just going to kind of flare it out a little bit as we come down. So let's go all the way down. So take a look. I'll say about right here, I'll stop. I'm just going to give myself a line, an angle line right there to stop her outfit. And we're going to come out with two very short angles. And about right here, I'm going to start to curve in a little bit and connect. So let's do the same thing over here. Now we're going to bring them in a little bit and connect. There. So then from there, let's draw her legs. So I'm just going to continue this. And we're going to go all the way down. See, about that long, and then this is going to continue. And so we're just getting thinner as we come down to about right there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect for her shoes. So same thing over here. And here. Okay, so then now that we have her legs in, let's go ahead and we're going to pop out her shoes. So bring down and we're going to curve towards the center, but don't pass the center. And same thing here. And connect it. Curve in towards the center. And connect. There. And we're going to give it a very tall sole. And then right here, just draw a curve. And just going to put in two lines right here and then lines going across to mimic the laces. There. Okay, so now we have that. Let's go ahead and draw her sleeves. So we're going to come down to about right there and bring it in. Same thing over here. And then from there, let's draw her hands. So I'm just going to kind of have them hanging onto the sides right here, flaring out. So we're going to end them about right here. So come down. Thicken them up. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a thumb. And then flare her fingers out. And then add a little one in the back. There. Okay, so one more on the other side. Same thing. Just going to curve. And you just kind of want to make sure you're about the same length. So about right there, and then I'll add a thumb. And fingers. and a little one on the back there. Okay, so we pretty much have everything, all the main elements in. Oh, and we have to have a button. So we're gonna add 1, 2, 3 buttons. And she has these beautiful LV logo patterns right here, and they're red. So I'm just gonna come in here to show it to you. I'm just gonna use a red Sharpie just to show you how to, when you're coloring, what to do. So let's say we'll start with the LV logo about right here. So just approximate so we know what's going on. So we're going to draw a V right here. So same thing across. So L. And just thicken it up. And the V. And then there's these beautiful flower patterns, but let's draw another one right here that gets cut off. And I'll just go quickly and draw these flowers. So they're all done. I really hope you love how my version of Nayeon here turned out from her music video Pop, and that I was able to help you with this little pattern on her outfit. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.